What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play I'll Keep You Safe by Sagun and Shiloh Dynasty. If you're new here, click that subscribe button and the notification bell, or I'll throat punch your genitalia in the back of the mouth. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new guitar, so if you want to find out how you can enter to win, stick around to the end of the video, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play it. So this song is in standard tuning, and it's using two different chords that just repeat throughout the entire song. As always, if you need the guitar chord diagrams, you can find them in the free ebook that's in the video description. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. First chord you need to know is this version of a B minor 7. You're just barring the entire 7th fret with your index finger, and you're gonna be playing the low E with your thumb, the D with your index finger, the G string with your middle finger, and the B string with your ring finger. And then your next chord is an F sharp minor 9. It's 9 on the A string with your middle finger, 7 on the D string with your index finger, 9 on the G string with your ring finger, and 9 on the B string with your pinky finger. It's a really weird chord shape. It is pretty hard to play, especially if you're a beginner. So don't be mad if you have some strings buzzing and things muting. It does take a minute to be able to play it fully. And for that string, you're just playing your thumb on the A, your index finger on the D, your middle on the G, and your ring finger still on the B. And all you're doing is picking the strings twice and muting, and then switching to the next chord. Same thing. There you have it, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please click that like button. You can click here for how you can win a free guitar. You can click here for more tutorials, and we'll see you guys in the next video.